Carrying heavy objects and packages can really hurt and cause you serious injury. The solution? The upgraded climb cart, an innovative folding cart that climbs stairs with you. The upgraded stainless steel climb cart has many features which set it apart from the competition. The upgraded extended bend handle can be labor-saving when going upstairs. The upgraded bottom platform ensures your packages will remain secure and allows you to use the cart with or without the included bag. The upgraded rubber wheels are more quiet, sturdy, and durable, replacing plastic wheels which were noisy and easily broken. The stainless steel design is strong and water resistant. It provides great storage capabilities with a variety of pockets for all your items and valuables. It's the perfect cart for adults who are tall. The stainless steel climb cart easily handles up to 100 pounds. How? Through its unique 6-wheel design. As each wheel hits the stairs, the axle rotates up and climbs the stairs and continues to roll, and it works whether you're going upstairs or downstairs. The climb cart makes easy work of laundry tasks. Moving documents and files around the city? Don't break your back. The climb cart is ideal for helping you move around town effortlessly. On the left, notice the typical hand cart has 60 pounds of weight. On the right, the climb cart is holding 90 pounds. It's a struggle to move the hand cart, but even with 30 pounds of extra weight, the climb cart goes up the stairs with ease. The convenient jumbo-sized mountable carry bag is ideal for groceries, and the cart will travel easily whether you are on pavement, a sidewalk, or even the grass. And when you are finished, the cart folds up and stores anywhere. Assembling the climb cart is an easy and fast process. First, unfold the frame and secure the handle with a plastic clip. Next, lay the frame horizontally on its side and line up the 4 axle holes. Now insert the axle through the 4 holes. Look for the clip on the wheel, insert the wheel on the axle until it clicks tight. Jiggle the wheel and attempt to pull it off to ensure that the wheel has been secured to the axle. Now turn the cart over and insert the second wheel, making sure that the clip engages with the axle. Once again, attempt to remove the wheel. If it is engaged properly, it will not come off. If it comes off, press the wheel down on the axle until it clicks into place and retest. Now upright the cart and slide the bag onto the frame, securing it with the Velcro strap. That's it! Enjoy the cart.